The custody battle of Imade, which is happening between Sophia Momodu and Davido, guys, is still ongoing. No, according to what we heard yesterday on the internet, they said the drama that unfolded in courtroom yesterday, it was really serious. Hello, guys. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time and wherever you are watching my video from. Please, guys, join in, guys. Join in. Help me to share this video. Whenever you come across this video, and if you are still joining in right now, guys, please help me to share. Drop your opinion in the comment section. Don't take it too personal, guys. Let's talk about this issue that just entered the internet yesterday, guys. Guys, they said that Davido and Sophia Momodu was at the court room yesterday. I think Sophia Momodu is not around because I can see that Sophia Momodu is in Doha. Maybe Sophia Momodu lawyer and maybe his family is our representative, her family, sorry, and her representative, our lawyer and the rest of them. But I know that Davido was there. Davido father was there. According to QT guys, at the courtroom yesterday, they were talking about this custody. That they are still fighting themselves concerning the shared custody of Imade. According to what we heard, it's not that Davido is not asking for full custody. He can't even ask for full custody because I'm seeing a lot of comments. Some people say that how can Davido be taking care of her? How can Davido take care of Imade? That Davido cannot take care of. No, I don't think it's not full custody. It's shared custody, like 50-50. So, guys, they've been these goes dragging back and forth concerning the custody of Imade. Like, you just said he wants Imade to also come and be visiting him at home, having his long time with Imade, which Davido, Sophia Momodu is not so comfortable with. Guys, so Davido dragged Sophia Momodu to court, and since then, guys, I thought they settled the issue out of court. I didn't know that they are still going to court, although I heard little rumor that they are still going to court, despite the fact that Davido is still around Imade. We are seeing Davido and Imade together and all of that. I didn't know that this thing is still serious like this. So, guys, yesterday they went to court, yes, just for court proceedings and all of that. And, guys, they said the drama that unfolded at the courtroom yesterday because of what the lawyer, Sophia lawyer said, guys, that Davido could not control himself. Not be so much bad, guys, so not be so much. So this write-up came online yesterday. This particular person said just what I explained now, that drama unfolded. Davido could not hold himself because of what happened. And a lot of people were like, what really went wrong? What did they say? What did they say to Davido that really brought that outburst in him? People were just guessing. People, before we could say Jack Robinson, QT Juice now has dropped the full gist for us, guys, which I'm about to read for you guys now to know what actually transpired at the courtroom, what the lawyer said to Davido that caused Davido to just react like that, my people. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, let's enter the write-up. So, guys, I will be reading it for you guys to hear what happened at the courtroom. So Kitty just wrote, more the drama when happen for court today, no be more. So she wrote this thing yesterday, so I'm reading it this morning now. So then she said, I don't know if it's she or he or it's Kitty just, so let me just address let me address the owner of the page as she, because my mother has always telling me that this person is she. So she said, una don't sleep, I bet make una wake up. They said everything was going on well, as in the shared custody thing was almost done before wahala happened. Oh yeah, come, drama and gist deal. Anyway, in your shoot in Davido and Sophia lawyer, the drama happened between these two. Then she continued in the next post and she said, drama that happened in court today. So, long and short, during the cross-examination today, David was called into the witness box. Everything was going on fine. He is the complainant, while Sophia is the respondent. Davido requests has been that, okay, Davido's request has been that he wants shared custody, apparently, where he can have some long times with his daughter Imade. Fast forward, this woman, according to what a lawyer who was present at the court told us, they said it was all cool until this lady lawyer, which Cutie just posted the woman's face. I don't just want to post the woman's face. She's doing her job. So he said until this lady lawyer said that, how can Davido say Imade will be safe with him when he couldn't look after his son Ife, may he so rest in peace, who died? That was when David lost his cool. Apparently, he gave it to the woman well. That how can the woman, a barrister, say that? No full stop, so it's confusing me. Say apparently he gave it to the woman well. That how can the woman, a barrister, say that to him about his late son, and that he gave Ife the best? That how can the woman turn this tragic incident that led to his son by into him not taking care of his son? David lost his cool and was so upset. He was no longer being calm and proper. They had to take him out of the courtroom. So when they came back in, the judge asked him to apologize to the court and also to this woman that she also want an apology. They then told, I don't know what this Cutie just writing, it's a mistake. They then told the judge, okay, supposed to be, he then told the judge that he is not going to apologize to the woman, but he will apologize to the court. So then, what is there? Then they said that why would the woman now use? Guys, the write-up is just so confusing. There's a lot of mistake. So according to, let me just summarize what they said at the last part. They said that the judge asked Davido to apologize to the lady in question, the female lawyer, and the court. So Davido said he will apologize to the court, but he will not apologize to the lady, that the lady is using the pride of his son to judge him in courtroom. That why would the lady use that as one of the reasons that he took care of Imade? He took care of Ifeanyi when he was alive. That he was a good father to Ifeanyi. That's why would the woman use that? That he will never apologize to this particular lady lawyer. That will only apologize to the court. My people, that was what happened at the courtroom yesterday. Guys, there has been a lot of reaction at the comment section. There's been a lot of emotion at the comment section too. A lot of people are supporting this lady lawyer, while some people are actually angry at this lawyer, saying that why would she do that she's a mother, that this is so insensitive, why would she mention this boy's name at the courtroom, that is so wrong, that you might guys, a lot of things are happening at the comment section. Guys, this is not a joking matter. May the soul of Ifeanyi rest in peace. I understand Davido's feeling. Yes, his feeling, I understand him very, very well. You understand? For him, what he will be thinking now is that he's thinking that they are using what happened to mock him. That is what he's thinking. Yeah, because anybody that have experienced the loss of loved ones, and whenever you have issue with somebody, they brought that issue. They brought that incident inside your conversation, inside your issue with anybody. You always feel like you are being mocked, like they are using it against you. I understand. But guys, you see this one, this case is entirely different. This scenario, this situation is different. This is a courtroom. This is not just normal quarrel. If it's just normal quarrel, like maybe you are outside, you have issue with somebody, somebody use it against you like that, you hold nobody anything, the person owes you anything, you don't have anything to take or collect from the person just want to use it to trigger you, that is a different case. That is a different case. Me, I will consider that as mockery. They want to use it to mock you. They just want to hurt you, hold you in where it's paining you. Like they want to scratch that thing, that your soul. I understand. But you see this particular case, this is courtroom. The truth remains that court don't deal with emotion. They don't use emotion to judge. They don't use sentiment to judge. That is just the truth. Yes, it is painful. It might be painful, but that is the truth. That is the fact. That is the reality. That is just the reality. I know that some people will still say, leave here, you are supporting Sophia Momodu. That is the truth. Take it or leave it. Sophia Momodu is not comfortable leaving her daughter alone with these people, considering what has happened before. And now the thing has resulted to court case. And Davido is now asked to prove beyond reasonable doubt why Sophia Momodu should be comfortable, should be free, like she shouldn't be worried when Imade is with him. What he's supposed to do is to prove beyond reasonable doubt, to drop evidence, like explain with a lot of fact and evidence why Sophia Momodu should be comfortable. She shouldn't be worried while Imade is with him. That is what Davido is supposed to do, because this is courtroom. Yes, when they measure that thing, that situation, that incident, it will pain you. But I was hoping that by now, Davido's lawyer, his legal counsel, supposed to have prepared him, prepared his heart, prepared all these questions, even his reaction regarding this case. Like, he should be prepared that this case, this incident, this thing that happened, they are going to throw it at him at the courtroom. He's supposed to be prepared. The last time someone don't measure this thing, Davido also reacted on the internet space. By now, I think his lawyer supposed to have sat him down to let him know that, see, guy, you cannot continue to be reacting, pouring out your emotion whenever they mention this thing. This is the sad truth. It has happened, That is your weakening point. And in court, they are always brutal. They will always use it against you. That place when they know say they pain you, that place when they know say they weak, maybe say you cannot even defend yourself. Like, it will be difficult for you to. They will use it. You see, in courtroom, when they ask a lawyer question, examining people, asking you deep questions about your past, like sometimes you go even lose guard, they talk what you are not supposed to say. You just say there be more, because they want to use that thing that you never felt. This one not important now. This one not join. They want to use it. They want to look for loophole to use against you. Even they will even go and do research. You do investigation about it. It's just weak this morning. I don't know what is happening. I hope you guys are hearing me, guys. I don't want the internet to interrupt my conversation. So I'm even seeing some people saying that Davido left the child with an adult. It's not his fault. We know Davido left the child with an adult. We know that. But the court will also use it against even the Davido and say that, what if we leave this child for you now? You want to now leave this child with another adult now? Before you say, let me go here and come back, something now happened to the child. What will you do? So all this thing, I'm seeing some people saying that Sophia Momodu is in Doha now. Or didn't Sophia Momodu leave Imade with an adult? A nanny. It's the same case. This one. The truth is that Sophia Momodu left Imade with her mom. We know that Imade has always been with her mom when Sophia Momodu is not. Even when Sophia Momodu is around, Imade has always been with her mom. She's very close to her mom. So you can't compare how if your own mom would take care of your child to the way a nanny would take care of your child. Do you think if Davido and Shoma have left Ifeanyi, may so rest in peace, with the Shoma mom or Shoma, Davido father or Davido sister or whatever, do you think that thing would have happened? It wouldn't have happened. It would not have happened. That thing that happened if Davido mother was alive and Davido have left that child with the mom. Do you think? I know sometimes it happens. I know sometimes it happens because even the band wife the last time it also happened. I know, but I'm just saying it hardly. That's what I'm trying to say. It will hardly. It's rare. It's rare because what I'm saying is that it's not the way that you will take care of your child. That is the way other people, I mean, your staff will take care of your child. It's not, yes, mistake happen, but the truth is that the chances of it happening when it's with your close one, with your loved ones, is very, very rare compared to the people that you employed. So these are the things that they are going to use in the courtroom. For me, I just feel bad now. They don't should just be strong and be prepared for all these kind of questions. Not every time out. The more he's showing his emotion, this, that, going back and forth, the more they will be using it against him. That is one thing about lawyer and all these judges and or whatever. If you can't defend yourself, hold yourself boldly and defend yourself. Give good reasons why you feel you can take care of the child in the absence of her mom. They will always use that and they will hold that place. They will hold it. And me, I won't blame Sophia Momodu. I won't blame her at all because I'm a mom too. I can go to any length to protect my child. And I don't care how people will feel. That is me for you. I've always said this thing. I've always stand my ground right from time about this case. I will not even blame Sophia Momodu because she's no longer with Davido. They are not in a relationship. Davido is married. And even the woman that Davido married to and Sophia Momodu, they are not even friends. They are not even close. They are not even... you understand all this kind of thing. So she will never ever be comfortable. Not only Shoma self, Davido circle, his crew members, most of them there, they are not friends with Sophia Momodu. They are not comfortable. See Israel and Sophia Momodu, they are not even good friends. Most of them there, they are not... The only person that I would say Sophia Momodu is comfortable around, maybe Davido's a former lawyer and Davido's father. So those people are people that are not always around with Davido. So the rest people that are always with Davido 247, Sophia Momodu are there. They are not close. So how do you expect such person to leave a child in the circle where she is not even friends with the people there? Like, it's going to be very difficult. I know. We say the papa dead then and the papa will protect the pikin. The truth is that the father will not always be there 247. So Davido have to prove beyond reasonable that now that Sophia Momodu is not there, I'm going to take care of this child very, very well without no harm. That is just the truth, guys. Let's leave emotion and sentiment aside. I've seen many videos. Even 2 days ago, I also read one story. I just come across this video on YouTube by body. They were just dressing the little girl up. The girl should be around 14 years or 13 or this kind of. So what happened? So I started going through the comment section and I said that they said that the father and the mother are not together again. And I think this one would happen for abroad, or not even Nigeria. So the thing happened in America. So they dragged themselves to court for child custody, and the court gave them 50-50 shared custody, and the mother was telling the court that this father that you want to give 50-50. So this man, this picking, he get Ashy. I don't know whether if I feel mention or where Ashman I make a mention. I don't know whether this YouTube will give this video problem. So, and the lady was trying to explain to the court that this child need a very close watch. This father now has a girlfriend, and I don't think this man can take care of my child like that too. I don't want this man to be careless with my child, please. The court they did not listen. They said no, they must give the papa and the pikin. They must give the pikin 50-50 custody. So they gave the man 50 custody, the woman 50 custody. So it was now time for the man to go and pick up the girl from school. So the man asked his girlfriend to go and pick up the girl from school. So when the girlfriend picked up the girl from school. The girlfriend dropped the girl at the door. I don't know whether she's going back to work or I think she's working. I don't know. That they didn't explain that. They said she just dropped the girl, and the girl has somebody inside. I don't know if it's her sibling. So the girl went inside, and this thing happened again. This thing that always happened to her. So the little sibling that was there was not able to take care of the child because the father was not even around. Maybe the father went to work and all of that. That's how this pikin gasp for her before the pikin just by there. Before they came back, the pikin don't already by. You see what I was talking about. So if the mother was there, if say the thing happened the time when we say the girl there with the mama, the man go know how he go take care of the pikin. So the father was not even there. It was the father girlfriend that the father has to please help me based on that one. I want to do mama duty. So I don't even know if that one is not even aware of what is happening. I don't even know. So what I'm trying to say is that your child will be passed across when you are not there. Be passed across. Help me, this one. No, who want get 100% time for your picking like you, even the father. But the mother can excuse out 100% time for picking, even if she can't. But she will look for somebody reliable. Like, can't compare. Not even this story. I have heard another story like that again. This one has still papa and mama dragging for pikin. The same thing. The woman still said, no, this man the colomenta. I still come across the video and I see comment. I was like, what happened? They know, yeah, they said they must share before they know this man carry. Like said the man they will colometa. They said the woman was crying that no, he don't want to. This man like, the way they had, be like say yeah, no correct, and no feel leave it pikin. You know that there are some situations you know go feel court go rule out. They go no listen like maybe you know feel proven where though they feel like oh you want to deprive the papa of seeing his pikin all of that. So they said never. They shared 50-50 custody give this man and the woman. I saw the video with the man. They were just playing Oyibo that they talk about. So Oyibo, that's how this man carry these children, go inside bush, buy the 3 children. If you see comments, like people were sharing the story, talking what happened. Like I was, as they checked the 50-50 custody finish, it was time for the man to take care of these children. They were like he was doing his duty every time. We take care of the children. One day like that, so they just carry. Maybe the thing just enter in head. Carry the children, go for bush, buy the 3 pickings them. You understand? So what I'm trying to say, I'm not saying that is what will happen, guys. I'm not saying, but what I'm trying to say is that sometimes women, they I don't know how to say this thing. They foreseen all these things, and that's why they try to protect their children. You understand? Especially when they are not there. You understand? When they try to protect their children, say no, I'm not comfortable, or you have to give me good reason why I should leave my child with you because we are no longer together and will not be there to protect my child. People will be saying, you don't want me seeing papa, you don't want me seeing pikin. But God forbid something happened there, the woman will be the one to bear the pain, not the onlookers, not the people that are watching her, not the people that have been judging her online. That is why sometimes when I want to make my own decision in life, I make my own decision, even if it's drastic decision, I will make it, and I don't care about people's opinion. That is how it is. So it has happened. I understand Davido's feeling. I understand his pain. I understand. But you should leave all this sentiment aside and all this emotion. You should leave it. You have to prove it beyond reasonable doubt why he can take care of this pikin. That tomorrow they will not come and call Sophia Momodu. They say, come rush, come I'm not dead there. I just say make this person just help me hold this pikin for 1 second, and the pikin can't do this one. No, that mistake. The people will not start saying, I'm saying, we are sorry. It don't happen. Take care. Before you know, social media, God forbid, that is not our portion. Social media will talk, worry, bogo. 1 month, 2 months, everybody don't enter house. So they should prove it. That is what I'm saying. Every child deserves their both parents in their life. But if having your both parents in your life will cause like it will, I don't know how to put this words that it shouldn't be harsh. If it will affect you in negative or it will cause any harm, any child, whether the any parent, whether the father or the mother, have the duty to protect the child without being sentimental, without caring what the social media or the people around will say. Provided your pikin they are alive, they gidigba. That is what matters. For me, that is what matters. So I don't care. I know that some people will come here to say, the people are advising Sophia Momodu. This will not be a matter of advising Sophia Momodu. That is the truth and that is the fact. We know that mistakes sometimes happen. That is why you have to prove that such mistake will not repeat itself again. It's not your fault. You were not there. We know. That is why you have to prove that, this time around, I go date there 247. So, imagine I will come up for my site, or I know come up for her site all through the time when she will come to visit me. That is why you have to prove and leave emotion aside. So you people say that, why would the court use? Why would the lawyer use? Yes, they will use it. Because that is a very strong fact that they have to use. Court, sadly, guys, they don't care about your emotion. That is just the truth. They don't care. They don't care about your emotion. Even if I say, the more you cry, the more you show your emotion, the more they say, this one will pain, this one are very good points. They go hold on to that point. That is how it is, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry for this thing that is happening. I really feel for Davido. I understand his feeling. He wants to see his child. He wants his child to be around him like the long time with him, just Papa and Imade time. But as far as Sophia Momodu is not comfortable because of the people around and they are not friends and all those things that have happened, for me, our points are valid. Our reasons are valid. I'm sorry. That is the truth. That is just the truth. Or maybe they should just be doing it like this. As far as you are seeing your child, you're outside, you put at the family function, she's there. People can just manage it for nothing. Maybe 18 years time when they will be adult. Then she can take care of herself. 18 years old Pikin can take care of herself. 18 years old Pikin go feel know who go colobia, who go use eye colobia, who not go use eye colobia, or who's happy with her, who she can protect herself. 18 years old Pikin should be able to know those things. For me, that's I don't know. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm sorry. I'm not blaming Sophia Momodu, because if it's me, I would do more. I'm really sorry, guys. I know I understand that some people will not be happy with this video, but that is just the truth. That is from my own point, my own view, and my own opinion. Guys, I'm sorry. So, guys, let me leave you guys here. Till I come your way again next time, remember, bless and bye. Guys, please drop your opinion in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think Davido is using emotion, that he should leave emotion aside and face reality? Guys, let us know in the comment section, guys. Bye, guys. See you.